Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek. Today I'm here with Ilya from Gtechniq, and today we're going to talk about a popular product, W8 Bug Remover. Tell me about this product.
It's a biodegradable, ceramic-safe bug remover.
Okay, great. So I can use this product on coated vehicles. What about non-coated vehicles?
Absolutely. No, it's a great alternative for your traditional bug remover. This is not going to damage plastic. It's not going to damage any coatings you have on the vehicle.
Okay, so I can use this on what surfaces?
This product can be used on paint and plastic. Any material you might find on a front bumper or a mirror, this is going to be safe on.
Great. So tell me how we use this product. Do we wash first? Do we pre-treat?
I definitely recommend pre-treating. What we say at Gtechniq, let it eat. So first, we're going to go ahead and spray all of the bug debris on the vehicle. We'll then allow it to eat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and start our washing process.
So it actually starts to break down the bug itself before your traditional wash, and then you just hit it with a pressure washer afterward or a rinse?
Exactly. No, it's very satisfying.
Great. For more information about this product and others, you can visit autogeek.com.